Hey guys, I'm Vesuvi and welcome to my channel, Not For The Faint Crafted. If you are new, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today we're doing day 10 of my very special Christmas craft countdown series, and today I'm going to teach you how to make this cute but ugly jumper dress. So you can actually do a jumper version, but I decided to go for the jumper dress version, and the best part of this is it was so cheap and it was possibly the fastest craft I've done. Okay, I wouldn't go that far, but it was really quick to make. And yeah, I'll go through the tutorial and tell you where I bought my stuff and what it involved, and it really wasn't that much. But if you are a fan of this video, please do give it a big thumbs up, and if you love it, please do click that subscribe button. But without further ado, as I usually say, let's go on to the crafts. So for this DIY, you will need a plain black jumper dress, some white baubles, some felt gingerbread bunting, some transparent thread and needle, some sewing pins, and you'll also need some Gorilla Glue. So firstly, you want to take your dress and place this with the front side facing you, and then taking that gingerbread bunting, you then want to position this all around the dress for where you're going to then later sew on top of this. And once you're happy with this, you then want to take your sewing pins and then you want to pin down each gingerbread man, starting from the bottom all the way to the top. And once you're happy with that, you then want to take your transparent thread and needle and then sew down each gingerbread man onto that dress. And then once done, you want to remove those sewing pins that you initially placed earlier and then scatter those white baubles all around the dress and then position them however you want. And then once that's done, you then want to take that Gorilla Glue and then start gluing each bauble into place. And if there's any strands left of your bunting, you can either cut this off with scissors or tuck this and conceal it like I did. And also with that red ribbon that was visible, I also used that Gorilla Glue to glue some parts in place so it doesn't stick out. And once you've done that, your cute jumper dress is ready. Hey guys, so I hope you liked that DIY dress. If you did, please do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you love it, please do click that subscribe button. And so today's video is day 10 of my Christmas craft countdown series, but if you haven't checked any of my previous Christmas crafts and want to do so, I've saved it in a special playlist, and I'll save the link in the description box below so you can check that out too. But yeah, so my next video will be posted on Saturday, so check that out. But other than that, I hope you have an amazing festive season, and I will see you next time. See ya, bye.